Friday. I'm so glad we've made it to the end of another week. You've done so well this week. I've had so much work through. I'm just going to start with a really quick run through of just three nice bits of work that I've had. So I had a mass upload from Daniela. I had loads and loads and loads of work from Daniela. So Daniela, well done, you've worked really hard with that. Robin, I had some really great maths from you and some brilliant art as well. And Curtis, I had a lovely recipe for friendship, which was so great, really beautiful handwriting. Now today, I'm just going to go through some maths quickly with you, and then set you a bit of a challenge. Mrs. Simmons is going to do your Star Learners in her assembly upload, so please watch out for that one. And also you've got some scratch work to do again today, some computing. I would love it if you could try and send me, try and save it or send me a link for it, so that then I can see it and I can maybe share some of those on Class Dojo, some links for people to do it. You might need to create a login before you create your project if you want to send me the saved work. So that would be really lovely if I could see some of that. Now today we are just having a go at Roman numerals in maths. Now again, we did this at the start of the year and some of it is quite confusing. So I just wanted to really quickly go over some of the key points. So we know that Roman numerals are written with a combination of symbols and they represent numbers. Now some of the simple ones, nice easy ones, and the important ones that we need to remember are I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, and C is 100. Now there are some really important rules, 3 rules that are vital when you are writing Roman numerals. So a maximum of 3 of the same symbol can be used in a number. Once you've got more than 3 of the same, you can't do that. You need to try and change by using the next 2 rules. So when a symbol is written after a larger equal symbol, it is added. I'll go through this in a second. And when a symbol is written before a larger symbol, it is subtracted. So here, I start nice and easily. I have I for 1, I for 2, I for 3. Now I need to stop. I've got 3 of the same. I can't do I for number 4, as simple as that would be. So I need to try and think, okay, what's the next symbol up? Well, that's V. And I'm going to have to do IV, because that would be 5 subtract 1. 5, nice and easy, I can just use my V. Now when we come to think about 6, again, I can't just use I's, but I know that 6 is 5 and 1, so I want to put VI so that it's added instead of subtracted this time. 7 follows the same suit, VII, and then VIII is obviously 8. Again, I've got to stop here because I can't use any more than 3 I's in a row, 3 of the same. So I'm going to look for my next symbol up for number 9. Just as I did for number 4, I'm going to put 1 less than 10, so IX, and then X will be 10. So then we get to a bit of a pattern. So I can have XI, XII, and if you see here, we are just adding the 10 at the start, because that's all we're doing. If we were to partition the number 13, it's 10 and 3. So I'm going to think about my 10, and then I'm going to think about my 3. And that carries on the same all the way up to 100. So that is a really quick run through of those Roman numerals. It was mainly the 3 rules that I wanted you to remember. You can't use more than 3 of the same symbol in one representation. If you put a symbol before a larger value, it's subtracted. If you put it after, it's added. And then you can use that to make those numbers. So have a go now at your Roman numerals page in your CGP book. Hopefully that's given you enough to just give you a bit of a refresher. Then I have got a challenge for you, and it's another always, sometimes, never. So I want you to tell me, is the following statement always true, sometimes true, or never true? And the statement is that larger numbers always have more symbols. Always true, sometimes true, never true. Give it a go. Well done everyone for all your hard work this week. Keep it going, enjoy a lovely weekend off, and I will be back with you, you'll be pleased to know, with another video bright and early on Monday, ready for another week. Have a lovely weekend everyone, bye!